Now that your DIY pond is complete, we'd like to show you some enhancements designed to keep your pond beautiful and make your life easier. Simple additions like the Biofalls rock tray and the Skimmer Faux rock lid help to hide your pond components while keeping them accessible for maintenance. The Skimmer Faux rock lid is made of durable polyethylene and designed to look like real stone. Just place your faux rock lid over your skimmer box and watch how it disappears into the landscape. Adding the optional Signature Series 1000 Biofalls rock tray can help to conceal the edges of the biofalls, making it blend into the landscape around your waterfall. Just add some rocks to the tray to disguise the filter. Aquascape has also designed 2 different pieces of faux driftwood that can be used to conceal biofall edges or skimmer openings. Each piece is made of durable polyresin and has the look and feel of real wood. Use the driftwood to hide pond components or use it as a decorative accent in your landscape. However you choose to use it, this driftwood is built to last and stands up to the elements. Give your fish a cozy place to hide from predators or just get out of the sun with the Faux Log Fish Cave. The cave provides easy access for your fish, and the realistic wood finish adds a decorative element to your pond. The fish cave measures 19 inches long by 12 inches wide by 10 inches high and is made of heavy-duty polyresin for years of enjoyment. Watch your pond come to life at night with underwater lighting. The Pond and Landscape LED 3-light spotlight kit is perfect for highlighting waterfalls and accenting your ecosystem pond. The natural, warm white light of the 3 pre-wired 1-watt lights gives a warm glow to your water feature. The kit comes with a transformer and a photocell timer that can be used to turn your lights on and off automatically. The automatic dosing system is a must-have for any pond owner. This system automatically applies water treatments to your pond. A choice of 4 treatments provides pond owners with a wide variety of treatment options. Simply program the system based on water feature size with an easy-to-use control panel. The included ×2 option doubles the dosage for new ponds, problem ponds, or after a pond cleanout. The consistent and accurate dosing helps to keep your pond beautiful all season long. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 30 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.